Hello everyone, welcome back to Trivia Tonic AQ.
Everybody!
Stitch is back, alright!
Have you watched the brand new Lilo and Stitch movie that just came out? Ready to jump in, relive the moments, and test your knowledge?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
First question, can you guess which character is this?
Hana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten.
Great start, this is Lilo.
Hana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten.
Next, any idea who's behind this voice?
Stay here.
You got it right, it's Stitch.
Stay here.
Look at this poster. Which Disney movie is it based on? Exactly, it's The Lion King. First question, do you know the meaning of Ohana?
Sometimes family isn't perfect.
Is it home, family, or happy? Ohana means family.
Hana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten.
What do you think of the Lilo and Stitch movie?
1.
Rate the movie in the comment based on the emojis. Let's continue. Let me know who's talking.
He is your responsibility. Got it. No. Control him. Hey.
Awesome, this is Lilo's sister, Nani.
He is your responsibility. Got it. No. Control him. Hey, what are you doing?
What about this one? Whose voice is this?
Lilo, how's it going?
You sure that's a dog?
David is the correct answer.
Lilo, how's it going?
You sure that's a dog?
Would you rather have a sweet and loving Stitch? Or a cheeky and mischievous Stitch? I like the cheeky and mischievous side of Stitch. What about you? Click like if you prefer the sweet and loving Stitch and subscribe if you like the cheeky and mischievous one. Give me a smiley face in the comment if you like both of them. Can you figure out which Disney movie inspired this poster? You're right, it's Moana. Stitch is biting a kakamora. Can you let me know what is Stitch's experiment number?
We have apprehended a dangerous experiment.
He escaped.
Is it 121626 or 262? You're right, Stitch's experiment 626.
I need to find out what kind of threat we're dealing with.
Question number 11. Who do you think this is?
Start traveling, please. There's no instruments.
Awesome, this is Jumba Jukiba in human form.
Start traveling, please. There's no instruments. There's nothing.
Any idea which character is this?
Oh, brilliant. Is it too late to vaporize the planet? No, I'm joking.
It's the Grand Councilwoman.
Oh, brilliant. Is it too late to vaporize the planet? No, I'm joking.
Spot 3 differences in these two images. Guess the Disney movie from this poster. Aladdin is the correct answer. Which one do you prefer? Animated Stitch?
Wow.
Or real-life Stitch?
Whoa.
I prefer real-life Stitch. What about you? Click like if you prefer animated Stitch and subscribe if you prefer real-life Stitch. Give me a thumbs up in the comment if you like both of them. Question number 16. Whose voice is this?
Move. Stitch. Put it down.
Exactly, this is Lilo.
Move. Stitch. Put it down. I'm gonna give you to the count of 3, Stitch.
What about this one? Can you guess?
No. 피자서 맞아 생기봐. And then
You're right, it's Stitch.
No. 피자서 맞아 생기봐. And then
I wonder which character is this?
Agent Cobra Bubbles.
We have a blue dog to catch.
It's Agent Cobra Bubble. Did you get it right?
Agent Cobra Bubbles.
We have a blue dog to catch.
Which Disney movie do you think this poster is based on? Awesome, it's Snow White. Stitch, don't eat the apple. What does Stitch want to do in here? He wants to surf, swim, or fly. Stitch wants to surf. How fast can you spot 3 differences? Question number 22. Let me know who's talking.
Some kind of baby bear that come out of the trash. Dogs no can talk.
It's Tutu, Lilo's neighbor.
Some kind of baby bear that come out of the trash. Dogs no can talk.
Any idea who could this be?
We've captured his attention. Discretion is my middle name.
Yes, this is Pleakley.
We've captured his attention. Discretion is my middle name.
Next question, can you guess?
Do you have tea? How often would you say you leave your little sister home alone?
This is Mrs. Kekoa, the social worker.
Do you have tea? How often would you say you leave your little sister home alone?
Stitch, the glass slipper doesn't seem to fit. Which movie is this? Yes, it's Cinderella. Do you know how many hands Stitch really have? 2, 4, or 6? Stitch has 4 hands, but he hid 2 away to look normal.
We have apprehended a dangerous experiment.
He escaped.
A tricky one. Can you guess the Disney movie? It's Beauty and the Beast. Stitch has antenna on his head. True or false? What do you think? The answer is true. Stitch has 2 antennas on his head. Can you guess who does the canyon resembles without squinting your eyes? Exactly, this is Lilo.
The only superpower that I have is sometimes when I run too fast, I fart.
What is Stitch trying to say in here?
Dogs no can talk.
Dogs can't talk, Lilo.
Hello, aloha, or yellow? Stitch says aloha.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.